Welcome back guys, Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to show you how you can start trading on a Hyperliquid decentralized exchange. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start trading futures on DEX. Let's dive in. First of all, what you have to know, the Hyperliquid, it's totally decentralized exchange. On this exchange, you can trade the same way like on any centralized exchanges, futures, trading pair, but 100% without KYC. If you want to try Hyperliquid, I highly recommend you go into the description below and find only official link to this platform. Avoid scammer or phishing websites. On the main page, you can find out 24-hour volume. And for the decentralized exchange, over than 1 billion 24-hour volume is really huge. Here's the amount of users who trade on a Hyperliquid, and here's the trading assets. Of course, on centralized exchanges, we got over than 300 or even 400 trading pair for futures. But trust me, 126 trading pair for futures with leverages is pretty enough. Let's go to application. Press launch app. Trading terminal and a main page, it's pretty intuitive. Looks similar to the main centralized exchanges terminals. Before we start, move on all futures and take a look how to open and how to trade on a Hyperliquid. I highly recommend you go to chain list, connect your Metamask. This is Metamask. You can press connect, and we need to add Arbitrum chain. We connect it, type it here Arbitrum, and add Arbitrum 1 chain to your Metamask. To start trading on a Hyperliquid, you need to have some Ethereum in Arbitrum chain and USDC in Arbitrum chain also. How to add USDC to your Metamask, for example, you go into CoinMarketCap, find a USDC, go into contracts, find the Arbitrum contract, copy to clipboard, go into Metamask, import token, custom token, and the paste token address. So this is a USDC, add custom token. This is my balance, for example, just for today. Import token. Now we can work with the Hyperliquid. On the right corner, we have to press connect wallet. You can log in with email or connect Metamask, wallet connection, choose any of wallet on your phone, for example, OKX wallet or Coinbase wallet. I use the Metamask. Press connect, go into next, connect. Here, my wallet is connected. I can start trading on Hyperliquid fully on chain. Any single time you can disconnect your wallet, and also you can set up the order confirmation, the position confirmation in these settings. Let's move on to the left corner. Here's more. This is a testnet, this is Explorer, all transaction. Here you can use the sub accounts, you can connect the API, funding comparison between the main exchanges like Binance and Bybit. Then you can track the stats of Hyperliquid. On leaderboard, you can track the traders and basically even take a look on all of their trades. For example, you can open this guy on the third place. So this is account value. This is a P&L for 30 days, and this is the ROI. You can click it on the address and take a look, totally fully on chain, all his trades. So the last trade was like 4 days ago, and it was the action like buy long perp USDC. Limit price was here, and a size. So absolutely, totally, fully on chain. You can collect the points on Hyperliquid or share your referral link. On a portfolio trade, you will see the all stats of your account, like depositing, withdrawing, sending, transfer, or even the volume for some specific days. And on this account, you can track all your order history, funding history, deposit, withdrawals, trades history, and all these things, the same like on centralized exchanges. On wallets, you can track the total value locked amount of money and track by users. Also, you can create your own wallet. Like I told you before, the terminal, it looks pretty similar to the centralized exchanges. On the left corner, you can check the all trading pairs. The same like on centralized exchanges, you can mark with a star and add this trading pair to your favorite one. So you don't need to scroll it down all the time to find a one. You can sort by last price, by 24-hour changing, by 8-hour funding, by volume, by open interest. On every trading pair, you can take a look the leverage. So the maximum leverage, what you can use on this specific trading pair. So let's say we're gonna use the Jupiter USDC. We add it to favorite one, go into all chains, choose the Jupiter USDT trading pair. Got it. Here we got a mark price, Oracle price, 24-hour change, 24-hour volume, open interest for this specific trading pair, and funding countdown. The charts on Hyperliquid is from TradingView, so I think you're already familiar how to work with the chart and with all instruments. Next, we can track the order book and trades, everything fully on-chain. On the right corner, we have to set it up, everything before we open trade. Like on centralized exchanges, you can choose between the isolated margin or cross margin. I choose isolated, confirm. Then I can choose the leverage. So let's set it up to 10x leverage. We got a market order and the limit orders and the pro settings where we can scale our order or use a stop limit order or stop market order. Like you can see, the balance is 0. Before we start trade, we have to deposit our money from our wallet to Hyperliquid. Press deposit. Hyperliquid showing us the balance of USDC on our wallet. We choose the amount. Let's say it's going to be the maximum. Press deposit. And we need to sign up this transaction and the pay kind of low fee in Ethereum. Confirm. Deposit is pending. Deposit confirmed. Everything totally transparent. And here's our available deposit for trades. Now we need to set up our USDC for trades. We can scale our position like on centralized exchanges, and you can see the balance multiplied to the leverage. So here's a $8, it's multiplied to 10x, so it's like we trade on $81. Turn on take profit and stop loss. If you open the My Market, you can add your stop loss. So for example, I would like to open short and add stop loss over than this week candle. So its stop loss will be $1.22. I can set up my take profit or close manually. So let's place order by market. Place order. Order submitted. And we can track. So here's our position is opened. Here is our liquidation price on the chart. You can see here our stop loss, this one. Here's our position which open it. At the bottom, we can track. So we got a coin trading pair, the size of leverage, the size of coins, position value, so around $40, my entry price, my mark price, my P&L by dollars and in percentage, my liquidation price, but we always use the stop losses, so we're not got liquidations. Here's our margin, funding rate. We can press close all if you got several positions here. You can close some specific position by limit order. You can, for example, like close 50% of your position or 25% of your position. Close. You can press and close by market your position and take a look at view orders. This is our stop losses. Here's a 2.5% in profit, but of course, everything depends of your size of position. And it's just a pure example. So let's close by market. We press market, and in real time, like you can see, almost without latency, our position is closed. We can track our available balance, and then you can track your trade history. So this was our position, and even track everything on chain on Hyperliquid Explorer. This was our position. How to work with the limit orders. So let's say we go to 5-minute time frame, and we would like to open long when the price dropped to this full fill around $1.1969. We go into buy long, choose limit order, set up our limit order to buy like $1.1969. We choose the size of our position with the leverage. We use the stop loss size. Stop loss have to be like $1.1917. $1.1917. It's going to be 4%, 34 loss. We place order to buy. This is a dash line where our limit order to buy will be triggered. And this is our stop loss, which can be triggered if the price going lower. Like you can see, the positions are not opened yet because we got to open orders. In the same time, we got 2 open orders, like long position and our stop loss. Like you can see on Hyperliquid, when you open the market order or when you close some position, you don't need to confirm every single transaction in your wallet. Let's modify our limit order is here and stop loss around here, just to take a look how it can be modified and triggered in real time. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Our limit orders is triggered and our position is opened and our stop losses is closed. So in the real time we saw it. So for example, you end your trade day or your month or a week and you get a profit, you would like to withdraw this profit from Hyperliquid to your wallet. Everything what you need to do, just press withdraw, choose the amount of money what you would like to withdraw from Arbitrum, press maximum withdraw from layer 1, sign. Now like you can see the available balance to trade 0 and our money in withdrawal pending. Just wait when they land it to our wallet. Balance is 0. We go into the Metamask and here's our USDC landed to our wallet, but like you can see, we pay the gas fee. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to try Hyperliquid, I highly recommend you go into the description below, find the only official link to this platform. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.